How hard should it be to change an air filter on a car? BMW made it really hard. This is the 3-liter diesel engine, and you need to remove a lot of stuff to actually access the air filter. First we need to take off this stupid shield. You have to remove this one. To remove this. And now you can finally get this piece off. Then you have access to the air filter. Looks like this has seen better days. It's been since this air filter was changed. Look at this. So did BMW do it to make more money when you have the car on service, or is it just a design fault? I don't know. You tell me.